If you like my new intro, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I also like to thank Rio International for sponsoring this video. The link will be in the description below. Go check them out. Hey, what is up guys, Kabir, and in this video let's take a look at the unboxing and the short review of the Redmi 5 Plus, which recently came out. So after all the anticipation, we finally have it in the hand. So here is the box. As you can see, this kind of resembles the Redmi Note 5A or the 5A Prime, which is a similar red box. Again, you can check the unboxing and the review in the description below. This review unit that I have here is the 3x32GB variant. You can also get the 64GB variant. Opening up the box, first thing we have the case that Xiaomi provides within the box. It is a soft TPU case. Here I have the black case with the black device. This device mainly comes with an 18:9 aspect ratio like the Samsung and the LG flagship series that we have seen recently. So the in-hand feel is quite premium as it's made out of metal. When you hold it for the first time, you will see from the back side it is quite similar like the Redmi Note 4 and the previous Redmi Note series. And after that we have the paper leaflets as well as the power brick and the USB cable. This is not a USB Type-C cable. This offers only the USB 2, which doesn't have fast charging. So it is very disappointing to see in 2018. Let's move on to the small courtesy that Xiaomi provides in the box, and that is the TPU case. As you can see from the video, this is the black TPU case with the black device. It will protect your device from small drops, but it won't protect your device from large drops, so be careful with that. Now taking a look at the front panel of this device, we have the 5.9 and almost 6 inches Corning Gorilla Glass display with an 18:9 aspect ratio with a resolution of 1080 by 2160 pixels. Also there is on-screen navigation buttons, and up top we have the 5 megapixel camera which can record up to 1080p with a front flash along with an earpiece. On the back we have a 12 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture and a dual 280 flash along with a fingerprint sensor, and on the right we have a lock button and the volume rocker, as well as on the left side we have the SIM tray, which is a hybrid SIM slot. On the top we have the 3.5mm audio jack along with a IR blaster and the secondary microphone, and on the bottom we have charging port as well as a speaker and the microphone. So let's move on to the software section. So this device comes with 7.1.1 Nougat out of the box, and it has come with MIUI 9 with a custom ROM, so you can change that. This review unit that I have has a 32GB internal storage with a 3GB of RAM. You can also get the 64GB variant with the 4GB of RAM. So if you are a very heavy user and need lots of storage, you can buy that. Now about the performance section, this phone comes with a Snapdragon 625 chipset along with the Adreno 506 GPU like the Redmi Note 4X and the Mi 5X and some recent Xiaomi devices. We can clearly see from the benchmark results. Here is the Antutu benchmark result, and it's close to the Redmi Note 4X and the Mi 5X that recently came out. A Snapdragon 625 is a pretty mid-range chipset. It can handle multitasking pretty well from my perspective. From the stock apps like Phone Dialer, Weather, Gallery, Theme and the Camera app, it opens up really fast and snappy from my opinion. You can see from this video that I'm currently testing the apps that are built in from the phone. So what about the camera development? The rear camera of this device is a 12 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture with a dual tone dual LED flash. If you're a Xiaomi user, you will know all the usual camera mode like the panorama, manual mode and etc. The shutter speed is quite decent enough for this phone, and in the video settings we have the shooting mode up to 4K to normal HD. So here are some sample shots that I've taken with this device, so you can check them out. Moving on to the front camera. The front camera of this device offers a 5 megapixel camera along with a torch which can support up to 1080p videos and really decent selfies. In the dark condition, the front torch really helps to take better selfies like this. And last but not least, let's talk about the battery life of this device. This device comes with 4000 mAh battery, and after heavy usage and heavy gaming and multitasking, I've got around 1 day out of this 4000 mAh battery. So if you are not a heavy user, you will have great battery life with this device. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, family and everyone. And if you want a gaming review of this Redmi 5 Plus, let me know in the comments below and I'll upload this after this video. So until next time, peace out.